Hey friends, so in this video I'm gonna show you guys how I do my little 1-2 night routine, and it is called the banding method. And I usually do this when I'm on my fourth day of a twist out and it's dry and it's not giving the girls anything cute or interesting. Anyways, so we start off with putting our hair into 4 parts. The parts don't have to be too defined. Like, I'm not about to use a comb. It's like midnight. I just came home from the club. Woo woo. So yeah. So I start off by putting one side into a little messy bun, and I just start putting my hair into 4 parts. So when I part my front parts, I usually put it down the side behind my ear, just to make everything kind of even. When I put everything in 4 parts, might not be totally correct, but like I said, it doesn't have, it doesn't have to be perfect. Nobody's perfect. Everybody makes mistakes. Everybody has those days. Please let me know you got that reference, please. If you're not, you're uncultured, and I can't really rock with you. Okay, boom. So we got the first part. We're ready to rock. Now we use rubber bands. I know what you're thinking. Rubber bands? Really? Really? Rubber bands? Yes. Yes. Come on. Rubber bands, they're like 99 cents. Come on. But here's a trick to get no breakage. I use this oil. It's from Naptural beauty supply. It has a bunch of essential oils in it. I use that to put on the rubber bands, just to make sure it doesn't snag my hair or create any knots, thus creating breakage. So yeah, chill out. I said rubber bands, but they work, baby. They work. Relax. Okay, so we're putting 3 rubber bands on our hair. Now, if you want a more defined look, like when you wake up in the morning, that's cool. I personally like shrinkage, and I also like volume, so I think 3 rubber bands is enough. I also use this time to oil my scalp as well as my edges. I've been stressed out, so my edges, I got laid off, and edges aren't really that strong right now, but they're coming back, baby. They're coming back, and we will prevail. We will. Believe that. So I'm gonna speed up this part because you get the gist. We're doing the same thing on all 4 parts, oiling our scalps, talking to our friends, but social distancing, and, having a great time. I did forget to mention that you don't want to put the rubber bands directly onto your ends. You want to keep a little bit of space. Like I said, you don't want to cause any breakage or have any knots. So just make sure you don't put it on the ends. And that also make sure that the definition that you do have, like the curls on your ends, stay in place for the next day. I just realized one of my nostrils is flatter than the other. Now I think my whole face is not, the symmetry's off. I feel like my eye should be a little larger. I'm very scared. Okay. Let's just do the damn video. Wow. Oh man, here we go again. So usually on my takedown, I like to use Jamaican black castor oil. I'm not putting the link below because, come on now, You just go to the beauty supply store. Oh wait, they're closed. Sorry. But yeah, so I usually put that on my fingertips, and I usually pick throughout while I'm taking my hair down, just because I seem to get more volume than waiting till I take down all of the parts to pick. So it's just, less time. But you already see the girls are giving volume, shine, luminescence. And I usually, like, the black castor oil that I put on my hands, I put that on my scalp when I'm picking and shaping my fro. So yeah, you're gonna see a lot of picking, and I'm gonna try to cut as much as that out as possible, because you don't care. You don't care. Sheesh, how long is she gonna pick? The world may never know what's going on. Trying to get to the end of this video. Golly. All right, here we go. So I do have bangs. So here's a little, pro tip. I like to put a little bobby pin in the front, 2 bobby pins in the front of my hair to make sure the bangs, get out of the way of my face, and also show that I have eyebrows. Okay, and here is the final look. Isn't that what YouTubers say? Like, here's the final look, girls. Subscribe, like, and comment. Let me know what you want to see next. Goodbye. Have a good day. God bless. Happy quarantine.